Hi, welcome to Remac's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make this low-carb grilled breakfast burrito. What makes this low-carb is that I'm using low-carb wheat tortillas, and instead of potatoes I'm using cauliflower rice. We're going to start by using 2 regular tubes of ground pork sausages. And we'll sprinkle it with garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some chicken seasoning. We're going to break this into small chunks. And we'll cook on medium heat until well done. And then we'll drain the excess grease off of it. Next, we're going to drizzle the pan with olive oil. And we'll whisk the eggs till it's well blended. And then we're going to slowly pour it in. And then we'll season the eggs with salt and pepper. And we'll cook on medium heat. And then we'll scrape and mix it with a wooden spoon. Just like this. And then we'll take it off the heat. And then we'll continue to scrape and mix it. This is about how I like it right here. And this is how yours should look like. Now we go to the next step. For the next step, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil on a medium saucepan. And then we're going to add the cauliflower rice. Some garlic powder, some chipotle chili powder, some onion powder, and some pecan land salt. That's what I like to use. And then we're going to mix it until it's well blended. And we'll add 1/3 cup of water. Then we'll cook on medium heat until it's tender, just like this. And then for next step, we'll add out some olive oil. Add some chopped onions with green and red bell peppers. And then we're going to saute it for 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. And this is how yours should look like. It should be nice and caramelized. And now we're going to work on assembling it. This is some low-carb wheat tortillas. And to that, we're going to add the sausage and egg mixture. And some shredded cheddar cheese. And some bacon pieces, which is optional. What I did was I used some microwave-ready bacon strips. And then some mixed bell peppers and onions. And then some more shredded cheese. And some sliced jalapenos. And some salsa verde, also known as green salsa. And then the seasoned cauliflower rice. And they're going to slowly fold it, just like this. And we'll add a little more cheese on the bottom of it, that way it will stick. And then we're going to tuck the sides in. And this is how yours should look like. Now we're ready to toast it. To that, we add some olive oil We're going to toast both sides on medium heat for about 5 minutes on each side. And then we're going to flip it and then press it down a little bit. And then we'll flip it again. That side was toasted all the way. And this is how yours should look like. Just like all my other recipes, this one turned out great. I tried to perfect my recipes before I upload them. So if you're looking for a good breakfast burrito recipe, give this one a try.